I'm Kelly and this is Mending Time. Today I would like to show you how to make a mug rug. And if you don't know what a mug rug is, just stay tuned and I'll let you know. But if you like our video, please subscribe at the bottom and be sure and hit the notification button so that you can get our next videos. Alright guys, welcome back. Now a mug rug, that's what this is. I hope you can see it. It's just a little bitty quilt, pretty much. So that's what we're making today. They're called mug rugs, and you just set your mug on top of it to protect your furniture, or in other words, coaster. So you're going to take your fabric. I've already cut these pieces out just so that it saves time, but you're just going to use squares of fabric. You can use anything you've got. That's pretty much what this is. It's just some scraps that I had. And so we're going to take them and we're going to sew across the piece of fabric. Okay, and at the end we're just going to cut the strings. With my nifty little scissors here. And then we're going to sew diagonally across the other direction. Just like this. And like I said, you could use any kind of fabric you wanted to use on this. Be sure and have a good piece of batting behind it to keep the fabric from getting too wet. These are also machine washable, so that makes it easy. If they get nasty, you can just throw them in the wash machine with the rest of your material or your clothing or what have you. Now what we've got to do next is we've got to cut out all of this white spot, and I'm going to use these little scissors here because they are super. And as you can see, it's easy to cut, even with my little scissors. Now we don't want to cut the fabric underneath because that's going to be our what comes around to finish off the quilt or mug rug. And you can do this for baby dolls, make baby doll quilts, or even I've done it for full-size quilts just to have a throw. Just add a piece of fabric on the top, put some batting between it, and send it through your machine. Okay, there we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold the cut edge in just like this and fold this side down, and we're going to slide it under our machine and put the presser foot down and run it down the line. It doesn't have to be real straight because it's just for coffee mugs or glasses. It's kind of like a coaster. And these would make really good Christmas gifts if you had someone that drank a lot of coffee, or like me, I drink cold tea and my cup sweats, and these are perfect for that. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. We're just going to fold it down and then sew down the seam. So here we go. Now on the machine you don't want to go too fast. You just want to go as fast as your little body is content with. You don't want to go faster than and get nervous and all that, because it's not a hard thing to do. Okay. Now we're going to fold this side down and sew up it. I'm going to use these in my living room this Thanksgiving as my coasters to put on my kitchen or living room tables. Won't that be cute? Be a little decoration. Okay. Now, these would be cute if you wanted to do them a little bit bigger, make placemats out of them. You could do the same process with that, or even round off the edges so that they would look more like placemats, but they'd still be cute. Okay, here we go. Last one. All right, here we go. Alrighty, and we made a mug rug. And we made that in what? 10 minutes? So there you go. Okay, so the supplies you'll need for our mug rug is some printed fabric, some batting. It can be the polyester or cotton. This one's cotton. Piece of back fabric that goes with the fabric that you've picked, and a pair of scissors and your machine. That's all you're going to need.